How's it, Sean from Mel's YouTube book site YouTube channel? Today we're going to be talking about birth name number 9, the outer expression, the deeper meaning. Alright, so before we get started, subscribe to our channel, it's free, and hit the notification button so you can get updated on all our future videos. So without further ado, let's get started. Hermes was considered to be the wisest of all philosophers and brought light to the world in the form of wisdom. The 9 is a reflection of his lamp that lights the way. So 9 holds the knowledge of all the numbers before it. This endows 9 with understanding and a feeling of brotherhood. It is called the number of initiation, for 9 contains all the knowledge of the numbers before it, and it will be tested on them. When it finishes its exams, it finds perfection in 10. 10 being the alpha and the omega always has a goal. 10 is ready to start a new project before the old is completed. Let 9 take over the details and finish it up so that 10 equals 1 plus 0 equals 1 can get started on the next project. Alright, so the number 9 is the circle of continuity, the tail being the life force that propels it. This is seen mathematically. Take any numbers and subtract them in a reverse position from each other. The remainder, when reduced, will always be a number 9. For example, 864 minus 468 gives you 369. So you add these three digits up. 369 equals 18, equals 1 plus 8 equals 9. Add all digits, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 equals 45. Then you add those two together, 4 plus 5 equals 9. We as humans are here to learn certain lessons, and those lessons are found in our personal names. Every letter and number contains divine attributes of our Creator, talents and qualities that have been given to us at birth. By adding together both the total number values of the vowels and the consonants, you will find the total expression of the name. This indicates the direction that one should find their success and happiness. It combines the innermost desires with the outward projection of their total personality and talents, and therefore paints a true picture of their personality. Ascribe to each of the letters and the numbers value in the alphabet in the reference chart below, and we're going to show that to you now. Vowels in a name tells the basis of your motivation, which is the animating spirit. This is called the soul urge or desire. You desire all that a number has in its vibration. The value of a birth name expression. For example, Carmen uses a name when she comes into contact with others. Her name is said when she speaks on the phone, when she speaks to family and friends, when she opens an account in a bank or in a shop. She not only says her name, she writes it down. Everybody she knows calls her by her name. Numerology, numerical and alphabet reference chart. Right, it goes from 1 to 9. 1 stands for A, J, and S, and 9 stands for I and R. Name expressions. Common, name number 9, outer expression. C equals 3, A equals 1, R equals 9, M equals 4, E equals 5, and N equals 5. You add this all up, comes to 27. 3 plus 1 plus 9 plus 4 plus 5 plus 5 equals 27, which equals 2 plus 7, which equals 9. Therefore, Carmen's name number 9, outer expression. Therefore, number 9 is the birth name of Carmen. Okay, so vowels. Vowels equal A plus E equals 1 plus 5 equals 6. Therefore, Carmen's soul urge number equals 6 in the expression, is in the chart on the spiritual plane. All zeros are dropped if they appear in the name chart. Birth name number 9, power and abundance. I'll help you any way I can. Number 9 is able to draw from the attributes of preceding numbers. Therefore, they understand and form any character desired. So 9 is called the stage where any drama unfolds. This is because they are emotional. This is the vibration of actors and some politicians. This is why some actors aspire towards politics and why politicians are great orators. Both serve the public and appreciate the applause. Number 9s. This is a powerful mind number implying a constant responsibility among those who have it. They are far more suited to art than to science, to humanitarian rather than to commercial pursuits. An important aspect of their purpose in life is to learn to translate the idealistic into the practical. 9s are born to give loving service in a profession or in the arts. Turn the 9 upside down and you have a 6, the voice that must be heard, the vibration that has its interest in its home and community. Number 9s are unselfish, dramatic, and philanthropists. Pythagoras called 9 good and evil. Being an enlightened 9, they should know the difference between the two. They are natural teachers or counselors, and many see them as old souls because they are. They have the ability to synthesize vast and complex information to make it easily understood by others as people are drawn to their innate wisdom. All things mystical appeal to them and are quite psychic, making a perfect candidate for ESP and all those related subjects. Love is so important to nines, they can love more than one person at a time, or a group of people, thereby experiencing the great joy of love in so many different areas. Okay, so a number 9 carries both the positive and negative attributes of the preceding numbers that makes them powerful. Negatively, they are often aimless. They are more suited to non-commercial undertakings as they tend to be poor financial managers, especially in their personal affairs. Burdened and frustrated, they feel emotionally unfulfilled. Their concern and interest in others tends to unnerve them at times, causing them to rise to the heights of ecstasy or sink to the depths of depression and bad habits, becoming bitter, immorally unsound, and vulgar. Negative nines tend to be overly sensitive to others' feelings and often take on family burdens or feel a sense of rejection from family members or groups. They need to let go of the past and live in the present. Once they learn to control their emotions through the study of philosophy, metaphysics, and other spiritual interests, they will rise like the phoenix from the ashes and take their place in the world as a truly enlightened being. Aim number 9 and soul urge number 6 complement each other, in that 9 is also on the mental plane. Number 6 soul urge will help to ground them financially and, with the name number 9, humanitarially be imbued. This person, because of their nervous energy and sensitivity, they are susceptible to depression and need to become more physically healthy by exercising and watching their diet and what they drink as they put on weight. Positive attributes for number 9. Broad-minded, brotherly love, caring, love for humanity, creative, compassionate, great artist, romantic, and philanthropic. Negative number 9, aimless, burdened, extremely sensitive, fickle, frustrated, impolite, over-emotional, and resentful. Alright, so that's it for this video on birth name number 9, the outer expression. Alright, so please like this video, please share it, and subscribe to our channel, it's free. And also hit the notification button so you get updated on all our future videos. Alright, so this is Sean from Mal's YouTube book site YouTube channel. Until our next video on numerology, good day on you.